go over how to use the VLine 2 in a 2007 Honda Accord. As you can see here, we're on the VLine home screen. This has all of your media apps kind of loaded here. We've got local music for like USB storage, Bluetooth for Bluetooth audio, web radio here will be for internet radio stations. Then we've got CarPlay and Android Auto. On our second page here, we have users, so you can add another user if you'd like, or multiple. And then we have the support app here. This kind of has quick links to everything. So there's a quick link to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and then VLine updates. This in here will be the main settings. And in here, this is all of the Android settings themselves for the operating system. You can also go in here to update or even change the time. And then here we'll go back to the home screen. And we have more settings up here. Now these are going to be the VLine kind of UI specific ones and VLine specific. So we have display here, or screen. We can do the display offset if the display needs to be moved left or right, or up and down. We have the touchscreen calibration, and then brightness here. And then there's also a few other ones in here. We've got microphone gain. And then in here we have some that change the units for miles per hour and Fahrenheit, as well as left and right hand drive. And the gray plus signs here, you can click on those, and you've got all your plugins here that we have loaded. And then we have apps. So these are ones that are Android specific here, like files, settings, and then any apps that you download from the Google Play Store will show up in here as well. Then we've got shortcuts, which are just to kind of navigate the UI a little more quickly. We also have the close apps to close all your apps that are open, and then the factory UI here will bring you back to the factory audio screen. And that's how you navigate the VLine. Today we're going to go over how to use the VLine 2 in a 2007 Honda Accord. And we're going to show you how to navigate back and forth between the factory UI and the VLine UI. So right now we're in the VLine because we're in the CD changer source. If we hit AM FM, we'll go back out and it'll bring us to the AM FM source, and now we can do anything that we want, like AC controls or info, any of the factory information that we need to see, we can do that here. And then if we want to go back to the VLine, we'll press the CD aux button until we get back to the CD changer source, and the VLine will take back over. We also want to show that you can have the VLine on the screen while you're in another source. So to do that, we will exit the VLine. And as you can see here, we are in FM1. Then we're going to press and hold map guide. And after we hold that for 2 to 3 seconds, the VLine will pop up on the screen. And now we're listening to the FM audio. If we need to go back to the factory side, we can press and hold this button again. And then we'll be back to the factory.